Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Battle.net application using your mobile device. Whether you're trying to avoid distractions or just want some solo gaming time, Battle.net gives you the option to set your status to appear offline. First of all, open up the Battle.net application on your smartphone, or you can also open it up on your desktop app. Once you're inside the homepage logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner where it shows your status. Now, from the top of the screen, you will be able to see 4 different options. Simply select the last one, this one over here, and this will set your profile status as offline. You can also see other options such as busy, away, and online. If you want to stay offline, select the offline option. Once selected, your friends will see you as offline even though you can still play and access your games like normal. And that's it. Now you know how to appear offline on Battle.net in just a few clicks. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.